Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I will be showing you how to make coated peanuts. For this recipe you will need raw peanuts, salt, sugar, egg, flour, milk, powder milk, vanilla extra, add in your salt inside your peanuts, add your hot water, and mix with a spoon. And set it aside for 10 minutes for it to cool down. 10 minutes later, bring it out from the water and sieve it. And transfer it into a tray. Allow it to dry. We'll put it under the sun and let it to dry. In a bowl, add in your flour, add in your salt, add in your powder milk, and mix it properly. Mix it together. Set the dried ingredient aside. Mix the wet ingredient. Add in your egg. Add in your vanilla. This will add more flavor. Add in your sugar. Depends on the quantity of sugar you want. Depends on the quantity. And mix it together. In a bowl, add in your dried peanuts. We start by coating the peanuts. Add in your wet ingredients. And add in your dried ingredients. and shake it so that the peanuts will coated with the dried ingredient and the wet ingredient. You will continue this process, adding the dried ingredient and shake it. I want to say thank you to all my subscriber. My subscriber, you all are amazing. Thank you so much. If you are just passing by and come across this video, please don't fail to subscribe and share. Thank you as you do so. And sieve the excess flour from the coated peanut. You can look out for any of the peanuts that are together and separate them. Your hand must be washed. Before I started, my hand is washed. You must wash your hand properly. I have my preheated oil. I will start by putting the coated peanut inside the preheated oil. Just add it in your preheated oil and fry. Fry in a high heat. But you have to be turning the peanut. You have to turn it so that the peanuts will not get burned. At a point, you can lower your gas, the heat of your gas. At a point, you can lower the heat of your gas. Where you see the peanut is getting brown, you will know the peanut is ready. The coated peanut is ready. Once the coated peanut is getting brown, take them out from the oil. Then you know the coated peanut is ready. Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be cooking pineapple rice. If today is your first time of coming across my video, please don't fail to subscribe and share this link to others. Please thumbs up. As you can see, I have my pineapple. This pineapple have been washed already. Please, you can wash your pineapple as well. I'll start by cutting it. Right now, I'm taking the pineapple from the pineapple itself. As you can see, you can use ripe pineapple so that the rice will come out perfect. The pineapple must be ripe and sweet. Then it will bring out the sweetness from the rice. I will be using olive oil. If you have butter, you can use it as well. Just add your pineapple inside your pan and fry. Allow the pineapple to cook until it turns golden brown. As you can see, the pineapple is browned. I'll be setting the pineapple aside. Please, my sliced onions, I will add it as well. Add the sliced onions, garlic, and fry. Fry for 2 minutes. Stir. Add your breast chicken. If you don't like chicken, you can use beef as well, and mix it together. Allow it to fry for extra 3 minutes. Add your Maggi seasoning and your black pepper. If you don't like black pepper, you can use thyme as well, or curry powder, or chili. I'll be adding my shrimp, pepper, sultanas, and stir it together. I use 1 coarse bonnet, and I use sultanas. I had a little bit of salt. You can add salt. You can use leftover rice. This is my parboiled rice. You can use any kind of leftover rice if you have at home. Just use it. It will go perfectly. I will add the pineapple and mix it together. I will allow this to fry for extra 3 minutes. I will taste for seasoning. Wow, this food tastes good. Very nice. But there is no salt. I will add a little bit of salt and stir it together. You can try this recipe. Very nice recipe. It comes out perfectly. Very nice. The rice is ready. I will just put it inside a pineapple and dish it there. Very nice recipe. I'll be eating this. If you like what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel and send the